Today, we're going to learn the names of vehicles. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is a train!
A train is a long vehicle that runs on tracks and carries people or goods.
This is a tram!
A tram is a train-like vehicle that moves on tracks inside the city.
This is a metro subway train.
A subway train is a train that runs underground in tunnels.
This is a monorail.
A monorail is a train that runs on one special rail, often above the city.
This is a delivery van.
A delivery van is a vehicle that brings packages to homes and shops.
This is a pickup truck.
A pickup truck is a vehicle with space at the back to carry things.
This is a car.
A car is a road vehicle that helps people travel quickly from one place to another.
This is a fire truck.
A fire truck is a big vehicle that brings water and firefighters to stop fires.
This is an ambulance.
An ambulance is a vehicle that quickly carries sick or injured people to the hospital.
This is a taxi.
A taxi is a car that takes people to where they need to go for a fare.
This is a school bus.
A school bus is a safe vehicle that takes children to school.
This is a bus.
A bus is a large vehicle that carries many passengers together.
This is a truck.
A truck is a strong vehicle that moves heavy goods from one place to another.
This is a bicycle.
A bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle you move by pedaling.
This is a motorcycle.
A motorcycle is a fast two-wheeled vehicle powered by an engine.
This is a scooter.
A scooter is a small two-wheeled vehicle easy to ride in the city.
This is a police car.
A police car is a vehicle used by police to keep the city safe.
This is a tractor.
A tractor is a strong farm vehicle used to pull heavy machines.
This is a bulldozer.
A bulldozer is a construction vehicle that pushes soil and rocks.
This is an excavator.
An excavator is a digging machine with a big arm and bucket.
This is a dump truck.
A dump truck is a vehicle that carries and drops sand, stones, or dirt.
This is a camper van.
A camper van is a small home on wheels for traveling and camping.
This is a race car.
A race car is a special fast vehicle built for racing.
This is a go-kart car.
A go-kart is a small racing vehicle used for fun and sport.
This is an airplane.
An airplane is a flying vehicle that carries people high in the sky.
This is a helicopter.
A helicopter is a flying vehicle that uses spinning blades to lift off.
This is a hot air balloon.
A hot air balloon is an air vehicle that floats using hot air.
This is a glider.
A glider plane is a light aircraft that flies without an engine.
This is a seaplane.
A seaplane is an airplane that can land on water or land.
This is a space shuttle.
A space shuttle is a spacecraft that carries astronauts into space.
This is a rocket.
A rocket is a powerful vehicle that blasts off into space.
This is a paraglider.
A paraglider is a parachute-like vehicle used to glide in the air.
This is a hang glider.
A hang glider is a light aircraft flown by gliding through the air.
This is a sailboat.
A sailboat is a boat that moves using the power of the wind.
This is a rowboat.
A rowboat is a boat you move by rowing with oars.
This is a ferry.
A ferry boat is a ship that carries people and cars across water.
This is a kayak.
A kayak is a small boat moved with a double-blade paddle.
This is a canoe.
A canoe is a narrow boat you paddle on rivers or lakes.
This is a cruise ship.
A cruise ship is a big ship used for long trips and holidays.